Hi, this is KVM Kishore. Well, that would have been my introduction 13 years back. But today, with great pride, I introduce myself as KVM Kishore. I mean, not much of a change, but pride is important, you see.
How did you start with Toastmasters?
All of this started 13 years back when I finished my mechanical engineering and definitely did not want to do a desk job. So I took up MBA with the hope that I will get into this lovely high-flying job where I would be having breakfast in Bombay, lunch in London and dinner in Delhi, and I would be constantly traveling and all of that, which became true. I was having English breakfast, North Indian lunch and South Indian dinner at a desk. So I ended up in a typical software job, and I had this passion for communication, and I was not seeing much of a future in the job where I was working. So I was totally lost, and I was thinking about, will I ever have a chance to follow my passion, do something about the communication skills that I wanted to acquire, and probably pursue a career in that, etc., etc., etc. All of that came to an end when I first walked into a Toastmasters meeting. Communication, like I always believed, is definitely not a one-day workshop or a 6 months course, but it has to be a lifetime of learning where you constantly practice your skills, constantly have that opportunity to explore your creativity, tell the stories that you want to, and a lot of those desires that I had. It so happened that when I entered a Toastmasters meeting, I saw an opportunity where I could actually pursue these interests.
Your journey in Toastmasters.
I started off with a club called Banjara Toastmasters, and then it was wonderful learning in the club. I slowly got to know about contests that you could participate and pursue your interest. If you're interested in humorous speaking, or you could be interested in motivational speaking, and that's how I started to participate in these contests. Thankfully, 2013, I won the first championship of humor. I mean, my first championship. That is not like the first championship. For me, it was the first one. But then there were other championships like the 𝐿𝑖𝑡𝑒𝑟𝑎𝑡𝑖 championship, where you use a presentation and in a very fixed format of time you present things. I also won the table topics championship, which is about impromptu speaking, and there is the international speech contest, the greatest speakers of the entire planet who come together and participate in a contest, which I have not yet won, but I'm trying. So this pursuit kind of gave me the constant energy for the last 13 years to think of new stories, to find my observations in the world around and glue them as a story and bring them to the audience. And this kind of helped me to gain that complete confidence of how exactly can communication be pursued as an interest, as a career.
What is life before and after Toastmasters?
ನೆಲಮಂಗಲ ಸೈಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎನಿ 30-40, 20-30, any site available? No? Nearby areas? Yeah. Nelmangla area, is there any Toastmasters club? No, 5 to 7 minutes. At least 2 to 3 minutes table topics, some slot available. Nearby areas, is there any other club? Fellow Vikram, what did he do? Why is he getting 5% hike and I am getting 4.5% hike? No, you tell me, no, frankly, you are the tally counter, right? You tell me, how come that Vikram guy got first place and I got second place? No, you tell me frankly, no, why? There was no motivation in my speech. What? Should I have fallen on the stage? No, you tell me. Don't call me sir and all. Hey, no calling me sir and all. Yeah, call me Kishu, no? No, call me Kishu, no? No, call Kishu, no? Hey, call Kishu. Hey, don't call me sir and all. No, I don't like all that. Yeah, call me DTM, no? No, DTM Kishu. Call me DTM Kishu, no? Hey, call me DTM Kishu, please.
What did you achieve from Toastmasters?
I started sharing my knowledge of how to be funny, how to be humorous, how to evaluate, etc., which took me places. I had the rare opportunity of going to Sri Lanka and do some educational sessions. I had the opportunity to go to Dubai and also meet the Toastmasters over there and present to them my skills. And more than that, the important aspect is that you build that strength in Toastmasters that helps you to go out of Toastmasters and do something super productive in the world around you. Saveen, who was part of Toastmasters, is part of Toastmasters, an amazing humorous speaker, was once in the same contest as me. And since then, we have participated together and we have worked together towards building a community called the Improv community, which is about creating hilarious on-the-spot comedy. And this has helped me to create a bigger platform and find more wonderful people and constantly keep performing around the globe. I mean, not totally around the globe, it's in some part, but little part of the globe. I started Story Labs, which is an organization that looks at organization development from the perspective of using storytelling and theater-based methods, and which has been quite successful. Today, I run the organization along with some consulting work that I do, and I get to train teachers, corporates in the area of storytelling. It need not necessarily be all the time about achieving goals. It's about making wonderful friends and also a lifetime of memories. So I urge you to take that step, probably walk into a Toastmasters meeting, because 13 years later, I don't know how you would like to introduce myself.
Your introduction again, please.
Thinking of that, let me introduce myself as KVM Kishore, a stand-up comedy artist, an improv artist, and most importantly, an entrepreneur and a distinguished Toastmaster. Thank you.